Welcome back to yet another 4EVERLAND platform tutorial on how to add domains. Now, before we commence, don't forget to like and subscribe to 4EVERLAND. Let's click off. How to add domains, you may ask. First, go to the projects panel, select domains, and then click on the blue button to add a domain, which is the second button. Choose the project you would like to add and then type in your domain address. When it's done, click on the add button. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to configure, then click refresh to check the status. A green tick will appear, which means your website is successfully configured and you're done. Now, there's also another method to add domains. For this, you need to first choose the project you would like to add in the project panel. Then on the top right hand corner, click on settings, then click domains. Enter your domain address and click add. Wait for a couple of seconds, then the green tick will appear, which means you have added your domain to your project. And you're done. Thank you. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now, leave us a comment below, which is fantastic. For any questions, reach out to us. And don't forget to like and subscribe to 4EVERLAND. Our channel is going to be booming with material and much more videos similar to this. Thank you and have a wonderful day.